Gone, gone. Anytime. Hey, Jesus. So let's go back to my... I hope this is in focus again, because I'm tired of always not being in focus. This song is not doing anything. Okay, hello everyone. So you're welcome again to my channel. This is Victoria, and yes, I'm doing good. So today I just feel like I should show you guys some packages, or a package that I received I think 2 days ago, and I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's been a roller coaster regarding this particular issue. One of the gifts I got from Gianluca, my husband, sort of, was a Selfridges gift card, and it was worth £100. I was like, oh my god, £100 worth of things, you know. So I went on there. And guess what, guys? The list of the item that I was able to see that I like was probably £500. But anyways, it wasn't something that I was expecting, but you know, it was a gift. So I went on there, and since December, Christmas time, I have been looking for something that I want on that website. That is what that gift card. It was a plus though, so it wasn't like I was expecting it. It was a gift, so it's a good thing. So I went there, and I have been searching and all of this stuff, but God knows it was fine. And finally, last week, I was able to decide. Guess what? We're now in what's the month now, babe?
May.
We're now in May. We're the last week of May, the second to the last week of May, and almost Christmas again. So we're the second week of May, and that is just mind-blowing that since Christmas time last year, 2019 December, I haven't been able to spend £100 on that gift card. It was good. So anyways, I just decided to listen, I have to spend this because it might get too long and then it will be invalid. So I went online and I decided to pick 2 items that were eventually what I decided to pick, and you know, it is just what it is, and I'm happy because now, anyways, yeah. So finally I decided to pick 2 items on the website and it arrived 2 days ago. So I was like, oh, why did I show you guys this? The unboxing of my Christmas gift from Selfridges, given to me by my beloved husband, Gianluca Meola. So finally I received it 2 days ago. So I want to open it with you guys and so you guys see what is inside, and we can share the moment together, and you'll see my Christmas gift that I got for myself. So this is the pack. Okay, so it came in this box, and I ordered for just 2 items, I have never been to a Selfridges store before. I don't think I've been there before, so I wasn't really sure of what to expect, you know. So I just it was just, so I'm just going to open that there, that. So it says Selfridges and Co there. When you open it, never ever ordered anything. I've not even bought anything from Selfridges before, guys, because you know, who has that time and cash? So that is what it looks like in the box. Babe, you want to see? So that is what it looks like. That is what the box looks like. And that is the old box. It was already, it came this way. I don't know why. The delivery guy was probably playing with it when he when he was delivering. So yeah, that is what the box looks like. And oops, sorry. So that's the inside. Came like that. Then this is the return order and instructions and other things that comes with back like this. So the first one is there. What's that? So I'm going to open this one first. That's what the other one is like inside there. So I'm going to open this one first. Okay, this is the handbag. It's like a small bag, but I just knew I needed one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Anyway, so I'm going to put that up that way. And it is from Gian, London. It's in this bag. I'm going to put the link in the description bar if I can, if I want to, if I decide to. So comes in this big bag. I think this is like 49-50 pounds for this bag. So it is that. It has two different types on the website. So this is, really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't return me. So that's the return me tag. Just in case I check it and then I don't have anything, I don't like it, I can actually still return this bag. It is gorgeous. Of course, I would go for brown. I just don't want it to be like too, you know, too nude and too, you know, the same neutral. So I decided to like pick the one that has that, and then it has the snake skin thingy going on there, and then it's there, and also has this white creamy color leather thing. It's a leather, faux leather fabric, if I may say, and it says Gian, London there, and that's what it looks like inside. It has two compartments and the extendable strap here that you can add to it. And what else? I love it. Thank you, babe. I love it. It's gorgeous, guys. So I can always take this to work. I've been looking for something like this, something not too big, not too small, you know, and I can always just switch up some things, because my work bag is this very big black bag and I have another one brown, and I wonder what I put in those bags. Nothing really much. So I want to reduce the size of the handbag I take to work, and this works perfectly for me. So that's what the inside looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so that is it for the bag, guys. It is so gorgeous. I love the color. It's, of course, will go with anything I wear. There's always a way to make it work, really, guys. There's always a way to make it work. So there's the zipper thing inside too, in the middle. There's one compartment there, there's another one here, and of course the side zip. So okay, so going to, what's this? Anyways, I am hungry. Then the other item I bought was the shoe. I couldn't have bought, like, I don't know how I would have forgiven myself if I had bought anything that did not include a shoe, at least, because I need, of course, I will always say that I need shoes. I need more shoes. I don't have enough shoes, and that's because I don't have enough to go around. Like, I want to start adding colors to my shoe collections, because mostly I have black, brown, you know, beige, and all these cream colors. So I want to add some more colors now, but I think this is not even, this is beige. This is a beige color, so yeah. But anyway, so I picked these two. I ordered for these two on the website, on Selfridges website, and it was so quick to get here. I think it was just it was supposed to be here. I ordered for it last Monday. It was supposed to be here on Saturday. I ordered it that Saturday. No, when did I order it? I ordered it on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, it's Thursday. So I ordered for it on Saturday, and it said it was going to come on Friday or Saturday. That's this coming Saturday. But it's Thursday already. I received it on Tuesday. So it was just like 2 days I was able to get it. So that was a quick delivery. I was so surprised. So this is from Court Gerger. I hope I pronounced that properly, but if not, I already have my shoe. So that is it. I ordered for size 39, and that's size 6 in the UK chart. It's gorgeous, guys. Babe, look at the shoe. I just love the color. I love the color. Okay, I think this is also probably 48-50 pounds, because I try to be in that size, in that £100 range. So I just had to pay like some extra tiny bit of money for the delivery and things like that. So, which I'm not mad at. I mean, I got this shoe and I got the bag, so that is just amazing. And I hope it's my real size, but it's 39. I've always wanted 39 for a long time, so it will be my size. I'll probably have this in one of my lookbook, which you should be looking out for, because I'm putting together a very, what will I say, sophisticated lookbook that you guys don't know yet about. So I like that it has this elastic band thing there, so it stretches and it doesn't hurt your leg, so that's a good thing. I like that. So guys, that is it. And the shoe, I just like the strap, and the heels, the chunky heels helps with balance, so I always go for things like that also, which is amazing. And the color is just gorgeous. It's kind of like in the middle of very light rose pink, or yeah, I think so, rose pink or pink rose and beige. So it's one of that, but I will call it beige anyways. So that is the shoe. Let's go together. I'm not going to be wearing this or showing you or giving you a runway show here with this, because I already have the lookbook coming up, so you guys will see how it looks on me when I upload the lookbook. So that is the shoe. So this is me just getting my Christmas gifts. It is amazing, it's beautiful, and it has a zip at the back. Not bad. That is not bad at all, not mad. So guys, that is basically what I got for Christmas. Just opening it, just seeing it, just ordering for it in the mid of a pandemic. 2019, May 2020, sorry. So I got that, and I got this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know what are the things that you got for Christmas, or what other things have you bought for yourself lately. What are the gifts that people have given to you, because we're all going crazy ordering stuffs online right now, because that's all we can do for now. So let me know what you've ordered for, what are the special items that you have or you're expecting. Put it in the comment down below, and also I would like to have suggestions of videos that you would like to see. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.